my views. It's part 3. I think I'm on muscle now. I knocked my part 2 off, didn't I? So I'll have to do part 3. I have course about some of the 5, but they've already been small. So makes them on muscle, so there's a lot of angles on here, you know. Getting little touches. There we go. Come on. Can't mess around with the muscle, like. Go on. I just have to put my throat up a bit higher, I think, to be honest. There we go. Bite again. The muscles on the band, by the way. There we go. There we go. Oh, see, it keeps coming off. Fucking hell. Should have caught that easy. It's only small as well. Yeah, getting nothing. It's going slower than it was. I don't know if you can see that flow fuse. Oh, that went nice under. Try again. There we go. I'm going to wait a bit longer. Nah, just stopped. There you go, straight in that spot again and get a bite. What's going on? Carp. Loads of them in here. totally messing about with me bait. So I'm striking them onto them when they come off. So it's a bit annoying really. Nice roach. He's on muscle. You know, keep him chilled as well. This is another carp. Hounded by the small carp. Tiny like. I think I've got a bream. I need the net for this one. Here we go. Yeah, bream this time. Alright, innit? Better than blanking, innit? Of course, loads now. I don't know how many that is I've had. Lost count. Fucking hands. Ugh. Still use that muscle again. Oh, loads of slime on my line. See if I can get that off. Hate that. So basically that's it. On the band for pole fishing. Somebody dead close in. Throw some bait in soon, I think. don't think you'd be able to see this, Hughes. All the scum on the water. Try further out of it. There we go. Another one. Oh, come off. Nice one that as well. God, it's scorching today. Really hot. Bring it a bit closer in.